Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. I'm Jason Worley with WCFAB. Today we are up at Calibrated Power Solutions in Woodstock, Illinois, and I've got a really cool customer project here behind us that we're going to show you. So we had a customer come to us down at WCFAB a couple weeks ago with a brand new 2025 Denali Ultimate right off the lot. This sucker's got about 1,500 miles on it, and he had a whole host of goodies in his upgrade list. We've got the WCFAB Stage 3 High Flow Bundle Kit, which is our high flow intake system with our intake horn, our hot and cold side intercooler pipes, and our high flow 3.5-inch downpipe. We've got the WCFAB billet exhaust manifolds with the 2-inch stainless steel up pipes and ARP hardware. We have our Calibrated Power Solutions Stealth STR turbocharger, as well as Calibrated Power high performance tuning. This was the recipe the customer wanted. He was looking for essentially a 600 horsepower or thereabouts, fun, reliable, easy to drive, efficient truck. This is an emissions on performance setup. So we did all the installation work down at WCFAB. We brought the truck up here to Calibrated, did the ECM unlock, got the tuning installed, and loaded her here on the Mustang Dyno. And been doing some tuning today, and we've got this thing dialed in, got a 603 horsepower number, a stock 2024 L5P, factory rated at right around 470 horsepower, I believe, and on this dyno we're seeing right around that 445, 450 horsepower mark to the wheels on a 24 plus model L5P. So we've got 155 horsepower increase on this, this combination of parts here behind us, going from that 445 to the 603, 604, I believe it put down on the rollers. So this is a solid improvement. It's an awesome package. It's an emissions compliant, quiet, clean, efficient running setup. It's a ton of fun to drive, and it makes a tremendous amount of torque and just drives awesome. It's a cool build. It's pretty straightforward and affordable, really. Not bad at all. To add 155 horsepower with all these parts, upgrading a lot of the factory failure points that we've seen on these trucks all the way back from the 17 model to now. When you start upgrading the tuning, higher boost levels, higher performance, upgraded turbochargers, you know, increasing all that stuff past the factory levels. A lot of the factory items, their shortcomings come to light pretty quick, being that the driver side intercooler pipes failing, the boot connection, the passenger side pipes failing, the intake system. We recently did some testing on the engine dyno with an L5P application, and if you do performance tuning with a turbocharger, you need to do a performance intake system. The factory intake is a major bottleneck when you start doing performance tuning and upgraded turbochargers. We've seen as much as a 50 horsepower gain on the engine dyno with the L5P, going from just a stock intake to the WCFAB high flow intake on an application that's max effort tune with an STR 64 style Mach 1 turbocharger. So if you're doing performance tuning, we strongly recommend an upgraded intake system, our Stage 2 with the intake horn. If you're doing an upgraded turbocharger with your performance tuning, you absolutely hands down need to upgrade that intake system, and we strongly recommend the upgraded intercooler pipes as well. The exhaust manifolds, maybe not a 100% necessary component on a truck at this level, but they are an improvement over the OEM components. Again, we've done a recent video on the engine dyno showing the decrease in drive pressure, decrease in exhaust temperature, and increased turbocharger spool up and increased horsepower with the addition of the high flow manifolds and the high flow up pipes over the OEM components. So that wraps up this package here on this 2025 Denali Ultimate. We're gonna get her unstrapped from the dyno, and I'll be taking her home tonight, putting about 60 miles on her, and the customer will be coming to pick her up tomorrow. If you've got a L5P Duramax 17 to 23, or if you have a 24 plus, now that tuning is available for these 24 plus models, feel free to hit us up at Calibrated Power Solutions or at WCFAB, and we can get you on the schedule for a recipe like this and put together an awesome run package. Thanks a lot for watching.